Hello! In this demo, we will understand how to use a runtime analytics report. Navigate to Intelligence and select Analytics History. Here, you will find all the runtime reports that have been assigned to you. One key thing to note regarding a runtime report is the icon you view in front of the report name. This means that it is a runtime report. When you run this report, it will showcase the data available at the current runtime. So, as soon as I click on this report, it will fetch the most up-to-date application data during runtime. So, I will click on this report, and as you can see, it has fetched the most up-to-date data when I clicked and ran it. I can always go ahead and click on Refresh Data to get the most up-to-date information. So, this is the runtime report. This particular report lists all the user access belonging to a specific organization. Here, we have the organization name, the application name, and the user. Basically, it lists the account name of the user in Active Directory and other entitlement information regarding the user. You can scroll to the right to view the rest of the information. For this particular report, you can again use any of these filters. For example, you want to filter based on the account name. You can view this information, which shows the number of entitlements associated with that particular account for this organization. You can always export this report and refresh it to get the most up-to-date runtime information. This is how you can view and use a runtime report. This brings us to the end of this demo. Thank you.